Good morning, all of you. Students, we are doing the chapter forest. In this chapter, already we discussed about the components of forest, then food wave, food chain, then layers of forest, and crown of trees. Now, today I'm going to explain the importance of forest. As you know that forests play a vital role in the social, cultural, historical, economic and industrial development of any country. They are very important for maintaining the ecological balance, and it can be explained in two sentences in Hindi that वनों के हैं तीन उपकार मिट्टी पानी और बयार. These two lines says the importance of forest in our daily life. Now, I am going to discuss the points which says the importance of forest. The first one is forests are the habitat for the living organism and are a storehouse of biodiversity. As you know that in the forest so many varieties of living things are there, different varieties of animals, birds, they live in the forest. So this is the habitat for the living organism, and it is a storehouse of different types of living things. Practices such as agriculture and animal husbandry are dependent on forest and forest lands. Forests provide clean air as they are the reservoirs of life giving oxygen. They help to maintain the oxygen carbon dioxide ratio in the atmosphere, and that's why they are known as the lungs of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen during the process of photosynthesis, and in this way they help in maintaining the oxygen carbon dioxide ratio in the atmosphere. Forests maintain and improve the moisture content of the atmosphere. This helps in determining the rainfall in an area. As you know that plants transpirate water in the form of water vapor in the atmosphere. They release extra water from them in the form of water vapor during the process of transpiration, and by this they maintain and improve the moisture content of the atmosphere. Forests are the natural absorbers of rainwater. Because of the thick humus layer, loose soil and the soil retaining powers of tree roots, forests are important for maintaining and regulating water flow to the lower layer of soil. They also produce humus and maintain soil fertility. They play an important role in the water cycle. Forests also reduce the speed of strong winds and trap dust and gases. A wide variety of food giving plants and livestock occur in the forest and grasslands. Forests are the most important sources of timber and raw materials for paper industry. The non-timber forest products include gums, resins, fruits, nuts, oils, dyes, and medicinal plants. They are all important and useful for us in a variety of ways. So these are some of the importance of forest. They are the most important, they are the most helpful thing in our life. We can't live without oxygen, and we get oxygen by the help of plants. So we must take care of the plants. One more thing I want to share with you students. Following the uproar caused by the news that the national animal had disappeared from one of the tiger reserves, namely Sariska in Rajasthan, the chairman of the National Board for Wildlife, the Then Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, at that time set up a task force. This task force has to assess the situation vis-a-vis Project Tiger and to submit a time-bound report. Sariska was a crisis waiting to happen, and it is bound to recur elsewhere if matters are not rectified. It also brought into limelight the prevalent situation with regard to wildlife conservation in the country. However, things have taken a turn for the better. Tigers from Ranthambore are being released in Sariska to repopulate this reserve led barren by the poachers. This is one of the information at that time it was happened, and the steps are taken to repopulate the reserve, that is Sariska, to let down barren by the poachers. So students, we discussed about the importance of forest in our life, and that's all for today. We will discuss deforestation and other problems related to forest in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.